Hello guys, I'm back. Solve natin tong problem na ito. Add lang natin lahat ng fraction. 2 over 10 plus 5 over 20 plus 3 over 10 and so on and so forth. Hanggang marating natin ang 41 over 20. Papansinin natin na yung ating denominator ay 20 and 10, pero multiples of 10 lang. Gawin lang natin 20 lahat ng mga denominator na yan. So yung 2 over 10 is a reduced form of 4 over 20, 3 over 10 is 6 over 20, and so on. So, pag nagawa natin yan, mapapansin natin na magkakasunod lang yung numbers or yung ating numerators. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and so on hanggang 41. So, by listing method, lilista natin lahat. Alam natin na yung numerator natin is from 4 to 41. That would be 38 numbers all in all. Ibig sabihin, 19 pairs yung mga yan. Kung i-add natin yung magkabilaang dulo, that's 45. Ganun din, pag inad natin yung magkasunod, 40 plus 5 is another 45 and so on. Ibig sabihin, may 45 pairs of, or 45 total ng bawat pair ng number. So, that is 19 pairs times 45. That would be total of 855. Since same denominator tayo, 855 over 20. Copy the denominator lang. Yan ay 42 and 3/4.